everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of issues on the application of X Twitter. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will go down until you find this window of X Twitter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of X Twitter. And here you can update your app if you find updates. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you